Hello everyone. Today my video is about important websites that I'm using since last 11 years for my online tutoring. This video is also going to help parents who want to assess their kids for math, English, science and different subjects and they don't know how to get from where to get the study material. So here we go. On my screen you can see some BBC bite-sized links. This is the most informative website I have ever seen, and it has notes for all the subjects: math, biology, chemistry, physics, from Key Stage 1 to GCSE levels. I also use this website for SAT papers preparation to my students, which are mainly for year 6. And this website is for 11 plus preparation, and it includes verbal, non-verbal and maths and English preparation. On the second page you can see I have some practice assessments and test websites. These are the websites that I normally use to make some quizzes and the tests for my kids. Now step by step I'm going to show you all of these websites that how can you make notes. So this is a BBC bite-sized website for Key Stage 1. Key Stage 1 mainly includes Year 1, Year 2, Year 3 and sometimes Year 4. These are the subjects that they normally cover in UK. If I want to make notes for maths, I am going to click on maths and it will tell me all the topics that is going to be covered in Key Stage 1 maths. For number section, for shapes and movement, for measurement. Whatever topic I would like to do with my students, I'm going to click over there, and beforehand I'm going to make notes on Microsoft Word by copy pasting it. At the end of every topic you can see the quiz. Same is for Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 3 for BBC Bite Size. You can open any subject which you would like to make notes about, and it is going to tell you some notes and the quiz at the end. This is the Key Stage 3 BBC Bite Size, which is mainly covering Year 7 and Year 8, and Key Stage 2 that I missed out, it was for Year 5 and Year 6. This is a GCSE website and it includes all the subjects that are going to be covered in GCSE. Suppose I would like to have a topic of biology. If I go on biology, it would tell me all the exam boards that I'm looking the notes of. You can ask your student which exam board he or she is doing in his school. Mainly people do AQA, and if you go on AQA, it would show you the list of topics which are going to be covered in biology science. Go into any topic, make the notes on Microsoft Word, and there is a test at the end. After that, this is the SAT paper preparation website, and every paper you can download free of cost, and there is a mark scheme available next to that. It has Key Stage 1 papers, Key Stage 2 papers, Level 6 SAT papers, even 11 plus papers can be downloaded from this website. This website is for GL assessment of 11 plus preparation. It includes verbal, non-verbal, maths and English. This one also has all the mark schemes available free of cost that even parents can use for their kids. After that, I would like to show you some of the websites which I am using for assessments and worksheets. This one is the Purple Mesh website, normally for Key Stage 1. My Maths is for all of the grades up to Year 7. Haggerty Math is normally for GCSE. MathSport is also for Key Stage 3 and GCSE level. And the last but not the least is Mathletics, and this website is also for Key Stage 2 normally. I'm going to put all of these websites in my description box of this video. If you would like to ask any questions regarding these websites, you can write on a comment section. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon for my latest videos. I hope you like it. Thank you.